Uber Eats driver, sign up Uber driver. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can sign up on Uber driver, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to basically sign up on Uber driver, go to your Play Store or your App Store and then download this app known as Uber driver app, and then open it up and just log into your normal Uber account over here, right? So what you want to do is just tap on continue and log into your normal account as you would do over here by tapping on the continue option here. Now once you log in and continue with your Uber account, it will give you a couple of things that you have to fill out, and that is your legal details. Your legal details meaning your insurance, your driver's license and so on. So once you make sure you have those, only then you will be able to use Uber driver and then deliver for Uber Eats. So as you can see, one thing is you need profile photo, driving license, vehicle insurance, registration certificate, vehicle commercial permit, and only then you'll be able to deliver with Uber Eats. This way you can sign up Uber driver. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.